make you aware.
I am Sharian Silvano.
And I am Harvey Ordines, only here at
News to Go. For our main issue of the day.
Regular students of different grade levels from Batasan Hills National High School continuously cut classes just to play addictive computer games in computer shops near the school. These students spend their money as well as their time watching and playing computer games in computer shops until their respective classes are done so they can go along with students solely from school. Instead of maintaining good grades, they are maintaining their rank in Dota, League of Legends, and other non-computer games.
The incident practically happens within the computer shops along the streets of Sinagdala and Kalayaan. You can hear shouts, rants, and curses from students who are gathering inside the computer shops. Addiction is an enough reason to lie to their parents to get money and use it for play. On the other hand, their parents aren't aware of their children's wrongdoings and still provide their financial needs, knowing it will become handy for their studies.
There have been resolutions to this problem, but yet it's still not resolved. Government officials had warned computer shops that were accepting students in uniform as their customer. Also, barangay tannods are inspecting every day and night, especially curfew is already mandated.
But as for now, we hope to help a lot of parents out there to be aware of what's happening to teenagers nowadays. To all their parents, please prohibit your children to any addictive online computer games, especially those which are inclined to violence. Consult with your teachers whenever there are meetings or gatherings so you'll be aware of their performance in school. And for all the students, education is really important. And you must not entertain nonsense and insignificant things that may ruin it. Be considerate to your parents and think of your future.
Wherever you are,
We are here to make you aware.
only here at News to Go.